A while back I saw this video on how to make a really cool dice box out of an old book, and I really liked it. To make it, all I needed was a cool old book and some basic supplies. My local thrift shop didn't have anything interesting, but then I visited a friend who was just clearing out a bunch of books, and I got really lucky there, as the ones I found had some nice illustrations on the cover that could really relate to some of the D&D characters I know. And with that in hand, I started crafting. This was a really fun build, and I can't wait to use these on the table. Big shout out, of course, to FitzTheGame, who gave me inspiration for this project. And there's just one little thing I want to improve on. On the next books, I want to figure out a way to make cleaner cuts, because especially on thicker ones, it can get quite rough if you're only using a standard blade. But that is what we do here, always level up. And if that sounds like you, check out one of the other videos and you'll be on your way to gain an extra proficiency.